Hello everyone. Police Minister Bheki Cele said that the police will execute whatever order is given to them by the Department of Correctional Services regarding former President Jacob Zuma's possible arrest. The Constitutional Court last week dismissed Zuma's application for leave to appeal a Supreme Court of Appeal ruling that he must return to prison to finish his 15-month sentence and said an appeal had no reasonable prospects of success. Several political parties weighed in on the ruling, with the DA calling for Zuma's detention without delay. Speaking at Operation Chanela at the weekend, Bheki Cele said police were waiting for the directive from correctional services on the matter and will execute whatever order is given. He said, "I've been in contact with the Minister of Justice and Correctional Services, Ronald Lamula. The Constitutional Court gave the prerogative to them, to the Acting National Commission of Correctional Services, to take a decision on the matter. We are waiting for that decision. I spoke to the minister. They said the legal team is trying to interpret what is supposed to happen. We are getting ready for whatever eventualities, which could be to say take him back to prison or he has finished his sentence. Is up to them." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.